Hi, welcome back to Wool Reef channel. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to quickly make a beautiful and textured granny square, which is perfect for creating a baby blanket, a small handbag or a phone case. Before you start, don't forget to subscribe, as it helps in the development of our channel. What materials you need? Yarn, a hook and scissors. In the first row, we make 4 chains and connect them with a slip stitch. For the second row, make 2 chains for lifting and 2 double crochets. Make 3 chains and 3 double crochets. You need to repeat this 3 times in total. Crochet 2 chains again and finish the row with a slip stitch. In the third row, we first crochet 2 lifting chains, then make 2 double crochets through the chains that we made in the previous row. We collect 3 more chains and make 3 more double crochets through these chains. In general, we have to crochet 2-3 double crochets together in all created chains from the previous row with a chain between them. We finish the row with a slip stitch. We crochet the fourth row similarly, but between the corners we make in the chains formed in the previous row. We have to crochet one chain, double crochet, anchored from post triple crochet, double crochet, and again a chain. To create an anchored from post triple crochet, you need to first pull a hook under the chains, yarn over, pull a hook back and yarn over twice. Then pull the hook under the double crochets we did in the first row, yarn over and pull the hook out. We finish the row with a slip stitch. Now we will show you how to connect the granny squares for your products. To do this, we use only the back loops of your squares and crochet them with a slip stitch. Congratulations! Now you know how not only to create these granny squares, but also how to connect them. We hope this will help you in creating your future products. If you found this tutorial useful, do not forget to leave a comment of more than 7 words, and you can share your result with us with the hashtag Wool Reef Patterns. See ya on our next projects!